Tomatillos. All right, it's the weekend and I'm ready for a little chips and salsa snack, maybe a little margarita. So we're gonna make some avocado salsa. This is not guacamole, it's avocado salsa. It starts with tomatillos. You're gonna add an avocado and it's gonna make this creamy green salsa that you're gonna love. It's super simple. So you're gonna peel the tomatillo. It has this little papery husk on the outside. And what you do is you just grab that little stem end and it pulls away. You throw that away. And then this gets rinsed and quartered and put into your blender. Your tomatillos may be a little bit sticky, but that's okay. That's just their natural defense. And some of it will rinse off when you rinse it under the water. Now we're gonna add an avocado. You wanna use a ripe avocado, and my favorite way to check your avocados to see if they're ripe is to pull out that little stem, and if it's green underneath, it's going to be a nice ripe avocado. So I just run the knife around, twist it, pull it open. Then to get the pit out, what I like to do is actually just hit the knife to the pit, twist it, and then from the back side of the knife, grab and pinch, and that pit will fall off safely. So then get that avocado right down into the blender. Now we're gonna add a little jalapeno. You can choose your heat level here. I like to just use the outside green bits and not so much of the inside. So literally just the green bits. Leave the ribs and the seeds in there. That's where the heat is. But if you like it spicy, put that in there. Cilantro. I love cilantro. So I'm just gonna add about a 1/4 cup and kind of press it down in there. If you love cilantro, add a little bit more. If you hate cilantro, maybe you could use a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna add 1 large garlic clove that I just chopped up, just roughly. About 1 cup of water will get things going. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. You need a little bit of white onion, and I'm just putting about 1/4 of a large white onion in there. We're starting to fill this baby up. And finally, we're gonna add a little bit of white vinegar instead of lime juice. This vinegar is gonna be a little bit stronger to help the avocados not turn brown. And it's gonna add that little high note that makes your salsa nice and bright. So fresh, so creamy.